Hello and welcome. My name is Rishabh Vora and I'm a product manager for Amazon QuickSight. The focus of this video is sort options on pivot table. This feature was released in early 2021 on Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight is a scalable, serverless, embeddable, ML-powered business intelligence service built for the cloud. QuickSight lets you easily create and publish interactive BI dashboards that can be accessed from any device and seamlessly embedded into your applications, portals, and websites. With this release, there are two new sort options available on Pivot Table. First, sort any dimension based on a measure, and second, sort any dimension based on an off-visual field. We believe these sorting options are very important for authors to organize the pivot table based on the requirements, especially when they have large amounts of data. For example, in this visual, you can now sort consumption channel based on the cost or any other dimension based on the cost. Or you can also sort customer segment or any other dimension based on build amount, which is not even part of this visual. Let us see how. On the analysis, select the pivot that you want to sort. Expand the field well. In the rows field well, choose the field that you want to sort. For example, in our case, we want to sort consumption channel. Now, you can sort consumption channel either by the dimension alphabetically from A to Z or Z to A, or you can sort the consumption channel based on a measure, in our case, cost. After selecting the measure that you want to sort based on, you can again go and change the sort order. You can follow the same steps for sorting a dimension in column field well. In the column field well, choose the field that you want to sort and then choose how you want to sort the field. You can also sort any dimension using an off visual field. That is a field which is not used in the visual. For example, in this case, you may want to sort the consumption channel based on count of customer. Let's see how to do it. Choose the field that you want to sort and then choose sort options. In the sort options pane that opens at the left, make appropriate selections. For example, in our case, we will select customer ID. We'll keep select count as count distinct, keep it ascending and apply. We can also clear the sort options that we have selected. For example, in this case, select sort options. You will see your previously selected sort by and aggregation. And when you click clear, the sort option gets cleared and goes back to the default sort order. Off-visual sort option is also very useful for cases like sorting the days of the week in specific order. For example, if you want to organize the days of the week in this case from Sunday to Saturday, earlier there was no way to do it except for adding an unwanted field to the visual. But now you can use off visual sorting to achieve this. Let us see how. For this, we will first need to create a new calculated field using rank function to rank days of the week the way we want. For more details on the rank function, refer to QuickSight documentation. So here we have this new calculated field called days of the week. Let us use that to sort the days. For sort by, choose the new calculated field from the drop-down list. Since this field is based on the rank function, the aggregation option available is custom aggregation. Select your sort order. In our case, we will select ascending and apply. You will see the days of the week are arranged the way we wanted. It is also important to know that sorting on pivot table is different than other visuals, as you can sort each field in the rows and column field well in pivot table independently of each other. For example, the consumption channel field in this pivot table is sorted in ascending order by cost, whereas customer segment is sorted in descending order by cost. And the service line field in the column field well is sorted alphabetically. Please note that these new sort options on pivot table would not work with some specific table calculations. For example, when you have sorted any dimension based on a measure or an off-visual field, you will not be able to use running total difference or percentage difference. In this case, consumption channel is sorted based on billed amount, which is a measure. Now if you want to apply table calculations on billed amount, you will not be able to apply table calculations based on running total difference and percentage difference. This also works vice versa. For example, in the next visual, we have already applied a table calculation. Now if you see, you will have limited sort options in this case. So basically you can only sort a dimension by itself in ascending or descending order and not use any other new sort options like sort based on a measure or sort based on an off-visual field. These new sort options are also available for readers to use. For example, in this case, let us publish this analysis to a dashboard and see the experience that dashboard readers would have. Now, when you click on the field headers, readers can see these options where they can select any field and sort that based on a measure. So to summarize, the two new sorting options on pivot table are sorting any dimension based on a measure and sorting any dimension based on an off-visual field. These options makes it easier for authors to find specific items that needs more scrutiny. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment below or reach out to AWS support for more help. Thank you.